friends, today I am going to show you how to make a power bank from a busted power bank which does not work. During the corona lockdown, my power bank's battery management system shorted out and it was not usable. So I opened the power bank, took out the 18650 cells which look something like this, and then I created a power bank from it. This does not look like a power bank, but believe me, it is. I took out all the 8 cells, disconnected them from the parallel string, and I tested each one of them with this multimeter. All of the cells which were between the voltage range of 2.5 and 4.2 volts were usable for my power bank. I originally wanted to create an 8 cell power bank, but I wanted to connect all the 8 cells in parallel. But because this USB is not a step up converter and it is a step down converter, it cannot take 3.7 to 4.2 volts, which is the nominal voltage of this battery, and use it and convert it to 5 volts, which is used to power our phones and devices. So therefore I had to use 2 cells in series. This gave me a minimum voltage of 5 volts and a maximum voltage of 8.4 volts. This would allow me to use a step down converter with my power bank. So I made 3 packs of series, and then connected them in parallel, and this resulted in a power bank which has a capacity of 7200 milliamp hours, and it can also charge devices. As you can see, my watch has started charging. To charge this power bank, as I didn't have a battery management system which I plan to attach to this in future, I put the balance leads inside this. This goes to the main negative of the battery, this goes to the main positive of the battery, and this goes to the connection, the series connection, which connects one negative to the one positive of the battery. To charge it, I took this old charger which was from one of my remote control planes. To charge it, I disconnect the power supply first because it makes a humming noise in the battery, in the charger, if we connect the power supply first. So here I put the plus into the plus as it is indicated in this diagram. The middle pin, which is the series connection between the two, into the second pin, and the negative into the third pin. This is the connection which I do for the charging. Then as I connect up the power supply, this is charging. When this red light turns off and only this green light is on, it means this power bank is charged. And these are the 18650 cells. I also had 2 extras from which I made a 2 cell lithium ion battery with a nominal capacity of 2500 milliamp hours. I did not want to use this in the power bank because 7200 mAh for me is enough, and I don't need more than that because I have many USB outlets available. So I made a 2 cell battery which can be used to fly my plane. So this is how I made a wasted power bank which was about to be thrown away into something which can be used. Thank you.